Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to log out of Discord on all devices. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your Discord and then go to user settings. So here is no option to log out from all devices at once, but you can change your password, and here you have to put your current password, and then here you have to put your new password and confirm password, then click on done. And once you change your password, you will be logged out from all your devices. So this was how we can log out from all devices on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.